everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. I'm at Calicut today. I'm going to go paragliding today. This is Sunil uncle.
Nice meet you, man. Tell me.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Sunil. I run a flying school and the Tandem Joyride outfit, and I'm a friend of Kicha's parents. And we love to have Kicha over here, and we are very happy to fly with this man. Big man, actually. Very famous world over.
I don't know if I'll be scared or not.
Hope you will really enjoy. You won't be scared. Alright?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Anup, come on. All up there. Around 500 feet, 600 feet up there. We'll fly all over the city. Come back and land. First and here. We have checked all the points. These points. Okay. And this is your seat. Okay. Yeah, this is how you will sit down. Alright? Just like a comfortable chair. And in the beginning, you will be here with me, like that. Okay, we'll be connected together here. Okay.
Then after that?
And the glider will be here. Okay. And when the glider comes up, uncle will hold you like here. Okay. And he will turn you like this. And as soon as you are airborne, don't sit down. And soon you go like that. Okay. Then you can sit down.
When my legs
up,
my legs don't touch the legs.
Touch the ground. And wait for just 10 seconds, then you can sit down, alright? You wore your helmet, harness, everything is ready. Now camera back.
Ready?
Come on, Kicha, be here. Stand here. And do exactly what I say, okay? How did you like it? Tell me.
First time going air without getting contained in a box like a plane.
Okay. And now it is an open cockpit. You felt like a bird.
Yeah.
And you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Okay. Photo of me and Kicha.